It is a change in policy that is not going over well with victims, their families, and some prosecutors.
They believe that the new DA has gone way too far on this. NBC4's I-Team has been following a number of these cases, and our investigative reporter Eric Leonard joins us now with more. Eric.
Yeah, DA Gascon is not backing away or apologizing for any of these sweeping day one directives, including that sentencing enhancements be dropped in all cases. That will mean far less prison time for those convicted of even the most violent or disturbing crimes. Gascon said today it's got to be done for the greater good.
To believe for a moment that we are going to fix all the social problems by putting people in a concrete box is so wrong.
The district attorney says those sentencing enhancements that are part of state law intended to more severely punish hate, gang-related, and other serious crimes are actually an abuse and are largely responsible for what he says is mass incarceration in California.
I do believe that they're racist.
Today, Gascon said he is going to change that, pointing out it's exactly what he was elected to do.
This is not a close election. It's an election with a wide margin.
Gascon's office has criticized the critics of the policy, saying a handful of troubling cases shouldn't take away from the DA's more important goal of justice reform.
And what is really a political game by people that have tremendous economic interest in continuing the journey of mass incarceration.
It's like he has no heart for the victims and their family.
The Pollard family says it got a phone call last week notifying them that the DA was dropping enhancements in Michael Pollard Jr.'s murder. He was burned to death along with another man inside this deliberately set fire at a recording studio in Studio City in 2018. A teenage girl was disfigured but survived. According to Pollard's uncle, he can't understand why the person charged would face anything less than the most severe punishment.
It was premeditated. He poured gasoline in the studio. It murdered our relative, our loved one.
My heart hurts more today of what Gascon is doing and taking away.
Now, the man charged with that murder will appear in court in January. That's when these special enhancements would be addressed in front of a judge. Gascon told me today there will be no exceptions to this rule, no matter the awfulness of a particular crime, because he says he fears exceptions will, in his words, swallow the rule. He says one area he's unsettled with is hate crimes, but he says that's an issue that the state legislature should address. Reporting live, I'm investigative reporter Eric Leonard, NBC4 News. Back to you.
All right, Eric.